Australia has a very diverse climate because it is such a large country. The weather can be very different depending on where you are in the country. In the northern part of Australia, like in cities such as Darwin and Cairns, the climate is tropical. This means it is hot and humid for most of the year. There are two seasons, the wet season and the dry season. During the wet season, from November to April, it rains a lot, and there are sometimes thunderstorms. In the dry season, from May to October, the weather is sunny and warm. In the southern part of Australia, like in Melbourne, Sydney, and Adelaide, the climate is more temperate. This means the weather is more moderate, with warm summers and cool winters. Summers in the south can be hot, with temperatures reaching 30 degrees Celsius or more, but the winters are mild, with temperatures rarely going below 5 degrees Celsius. The southern areas also get more rain during the year compared to the northern regions. In the central part of Australia, like in Alice Springs, the climate is desert-like. This means it is very hot during the day, with temperatures often over 40 degrees Celsius in summer, but it can be quite cold at night. There is very little rain, and the area is mostly dry and arid. It can also be very windy. In the coastal areas, like along the Great Barrier Reef, the weather is usually warm and sunny. The coast of Australia enjoys a lot of sunshine, but it can be humid in some parts. These areas are also popular for beaches and outdoor activities. Australia is also known for its extreme weather. The country can experience heat waves, especially in the summer, and sometimes even wildfires. In the winter, some parts of the country can get snow, especially in the mountains and places like the Australian Alps. Overall, Australia has a range of different climates, from tropical and humid in the north to dry and desert-like in the centre, with more moderate weather in the south. The weather can change a lot depending on where you are, so it's important to be prepared for different conditions.